Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Supabase Storage for uploading images and apps step by step clearly. To register with Supabase Storage for uploading images and apps, start by visiting the Supabase website. Create an account if you do not have one already. Log into your Supabase dashboard after creating your account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button to create a new project. Fill in the required fields such as project name, password, and database region. Select the Create New Project option to proceed. After the project is created, you will be redirected to the project dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Storage. In the Storage section, click on Get Started to enable storage for your project. Next, create a new bucket by clicking on the New Bucket button. Give your bucket a descriptive name, and set the privacy settings based on your requirements. Make sure to select whether the bucket should be public or private. Click on Create Bucket to finalize the creation process. After creating the bucket, you will see options to upload files. Click on the Upload button to start uploading images. Select the images you want to upload from your computer. Once selected, confirm the upload to store them in the bucket. To access the uploaded images in your application, you'll need the appropriate API keys. Navigate back to the project dashboard and click on Settings in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, click on API to find your project URL and service role key. Make sure to copy these details for future use in your app. Now, integrate Supabase into your application with the appropriate libraries. Refer to the Supabase documentation for code examples to handle file uploads. Implement the file upload feature by using the storage API you just configured. Test the upload functionality by running your application and uploading images. Review the uploaded images in your storage bucket from the Supabase dashboard. With these steps completed, your app is now equipped to handle image uploads using Supabase Storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.